Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to get shiny, smooth hair with avocado oil. First, you want to put your avocado oil on dry, unwashed hair. All you need is some avocado oil and a heat cap. I put about half a teaspoon of oil in my hand to apply to one side of my hair. Keep in mind that my hair is very thick, so I need a lot of oil, but people with finer hair will want to use a little less oil, maybe half of what I just used. I run the oil through my hair with my hands, especially taking care to work the oil down to my ends, which are normally the driest parts of my hair. It is okay to put a little on top of your scalp too, but just a small pat because you don't want your scalp too oily and hard to rinse out later. The benefits of avocado oil for your hair are that it has great moisturizing properties that help with dry hair and ends. Avocados are rich in biotin, which can help strengthen hair strands. This oil is non-greasy and very easy to rinse out of your hair. It has barely any scent to it, which I like. Now it is time to comb. I tip my head upside down and comb my hair out to help evenly distribute the oil throughout. This is also to ensure that even the underside of my hair gets coated with oil too. It is time to grab your heat cap. I throw mine in the microwave for 90 seconds as the directions on the box suggest. I got mine from a friend, but you can get some cheap ones on Amazon or probably even Target. The heat helps seal in the oil and helps it penetrate the hair. It is pretty easy to put on, but you do feel kind of silly in it at first. Not a very big fashion statement. Now we wait 1 hour before washing out. Okay, I just got out of the shower and I never blow dry my hair, so I'll have to wait a few hours for my hair to dry to show you the final result. Okay, this is about an hour later and my hair is still not completely dry, but you can see it looks really fluffy and smooth. It feels a lot less frizzy to me and it is very soft. We'll give it another hour or so until it is fully dry. Alright, my hair is completely dry now and my hair looks even longer and fuller to me. I'm not sure how this is possible, but that's how it looks. It's very smooth and easy to brush, and here is the back of it. It feels really good, and I like to do this at least once a week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for more hair videos. Bye!